Night meditation is a valuable tool for anyone seeking to restore peace and tranquility at the end of their day. This practice serves as a bridge between the bustling energy of daylight hours and the serene, silent expectation of a restful night. The essence of night meditation lies in its ability to ease the transition from the daily chaos to a state of deep relaxation, making it easier to attain restorative sleep. The benefits of incorporating meditation into your nightly routine are vast. Regular night meditation can improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. By clearing your mind and relaxing your body right before bed, you create the ideal conditions for a healing sleep. This proactive approach not only helps in winding down effectively, but also deepens your connection to your inner self, fostering a sense of peace that lasts through the night and into the next day. To begin your night meditation, it's crucial to create an environment that encourages calmness and comfort. Choose a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your bedroom or any space in your home that feels secluded and peaceful. Dim the lights, or use soft lampshades to reduce strain on your eyes, which helps signal to your body that it's time to unwind. Physical comfort is just as important as the setting. Dress in loose, comfortable clothing that doesn't restrict your movement or breathing. Prepare your meditation spot with cushions or a yoga mat to sit or lie down comfortably. If you prefer, a blanket can provide additional warmth and coziness, creating an inviting atmosphere for your practice. Your mental preparation is equally essential. Start by disconnecting from digital devices, which are common sources of distraction and stress. This detachment is vital for allowing your mind to settle into a state conducive to meditation. Take a few moments to simply sit in your prepared space, letting your body acclimate to the stillness. Engaging in light stretching can significantly enhance your readiness for meditation. Gentle movements to stretch your neck, shoulders, and back can release physical tension, making it easier to remain in a meditative posture without discomfort. Practicing a few deep breaths can help shift your focus inward. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your stomach to expand fully. Then exhale gradually, feeling tensions melt away with each breath. This breathing not only helps in relaxation, but also sharpens your focus for the meditation session ahead. Through these preparations, you are setting the stage for a successful night meditation. By optimizing your environment and preparing your body and mind, you increase the effectiveness of your meditation practice, making it more likely to experience the profound benefits of restful healing each night. While you begin your meditation session, it's important to set a personal intention. Intentions act as a guide for your meditative practice, directing your focus and enhancing the healing process. Consider what you seek to achieve through tonight's meditation. Perhaps you aim to find peace after a stressful day, or maybe you wish to heal emotional distress that has been lingering. Whatever your goal, hold it clearly in your mind as you prepare to meditate. Setting an intention is like drawing a map for your journey through meditation. It helps you stay focused when your mind wanders and reconnects you to your purpose for meditating. As you sit quietly, let your intention be your anchor, bringing your attention back whenever distractions arise. This focused approach not only deepens the effectiveness of your meditation, but also aligns your energy with your desired outcomes, promoting a greater sense of harmony and well-being. With your intentions set, you can enhance your meditative state through focused breathing techniques. These techniques are designed to calm your mind and prepare your body for deep relaxation. Start with a simple pattern. Breathe in slowly through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe in, imagine drawing calmness into your body, and as you exhale, picture releasing any tension or stress. One effective method to deepen relaxation is the 4 to 7, 8 breathing technique. Here's how you do it. Breathe in quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold the breath for a count of 7 seconds. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound, for 8 seconds. This technique can significantly reduce anxiety and helps to quickly establish a state of relaxation. It's especially useful during night meditation, as it promotes a rhythmic pattern that is conducive to sleep. Repeat this breathing pattern several times. With each cycle, you should feel more relaxed and centered. This practice not only helps in regulating your physiological responses to stress, but also prepares your mind for a deeper meditative experience. By focusing on your breath, you allow your body to achieve a state of calmness necessary for healing and restoration. By setting a clear intention and employing controlled breathing techniques, you create an optimal environment for your meditation practice. These elements work together to enhance the mental and physical benefits of your session, setting the stage for a deeper exploration of relaxation and self-discovery of your meditation practice. Continuing from your deepened state of relaxation through breathing techniques, transition into a body scan meditation. This practice involves a gradual mental sweep through different parts of your body, which helps to identify and release any lingering tension. Begin at the very tips of your toes. Focus your attention there and mentally note any sensations, whether warmth, coolness, or tingling, without judgment. Slowly move your focus upward to your feet, ankles, and calves. At each stage, take a moment to consciously relax the muscles. If you find areas of tension, imagine your breath flowing into and soothing these spots. Progressively work your way through the body. Knees, thighs, hips, lower back, abdomen, chest, hands, arms, shoulders, neck, and finally the head. This methodical progression helps not only in relaxation, but also in cultivating mindfulness, as you pay close attention to each part of your body in turn. This meditation technique is particularly effective in the evening as it prepares your body for rest. By the time you reach your head, you should feel a significant release of tension, leaving you in a state of comprehensive relaxation. With your body relaxed and your mind at ease, you can now engage in a visualization technique to deepen the healing effects of your meditation. Visualization involves picturing a healing light or energy flowing through your body. Imagine this light as a warm, gentle glow, starting at the top of your head and slowly moving down through your entire body, all the way to your toes. While this light travels through each part of your body, visualize it healing and rejuvenating every cell. If there are areas within you that feel physically pained or emotionally troubled, picture the light warmly accepting these areas, bringing relief and comfort. This practice not only enhances the relaxation initiated by the body scan, but also actively promotes healing from within. This visualization is a powerful tool in your meditation arsenal, especially useful at night when the mind can wander into stressful thoughts or cling to the troubles of the day. By redirecting your focus to healing, you transform your meditation space into a sanctuary of restoration and peace. This sets a profound foundation for the final stages of your meditation, where you can fully surrender to the restorative powers of deep, mindful relaxation. After immersing yourself in the healing visualization, introducing mantras can further anchor your state of relaxation and intention. A mantra is a phrase or word that is repeated during meditation, helping to focus and calm the mind. Choose a mantra that resonates with your intention for the session. For instance, if your focus is on healing, you might repeat a phrase like, "Healing light within me," or simply, "Peace." Repetition of these words helps to consolidate the state of calm and healing you've cultivated. As you silently repeat your chosen mantra, allow it to sync with your breath. Inhale as you mentally say the first part of the mantra, and exhale with the second part. This synchronization of breath and mantra enhances the meditative experience, deepening your relaxation and reinforcing your focus on healing and tranquility. To complement the mental focus from mantras, progressive muscle relaxation offers a physical technique that promotes deep relaxation and stress relief. This method involves tensing each muscle group in the body but one at a time, then releasing the tension and noticing the sensations of relaxation. Start with the muscles in your toes. Tense them as you breathe in deeply, hold for a few seconds, and then release as you breathe out. Notice the sensation of release and relaxation. Move slowly through your body, foot, calf, thigh, and so forth, up to your facial muscles. Tensing and then relaxing each group of muscles not only helps in relieving physical stress, but also aids in letting go of the mental stress that often accompanies it. This technique is particularly effective when performed during night meditation. It not only relaxes, but also prepares your body for a restful sleep, allowing you to let go of the physical tensions of the day. By the end of this practice, your body should feel lighter and more at peace, ready to embrace the restorative power of sleep. By integrating mantras and progressive muscle relaxation into your meditation practice, you create a comprehensive approach to mind-body relaxation. These techniques work in harmony to release physical tension and maintain mental focus, setting a solid foundation for a restful night and a rejuvenated morning. Building on the deep state of relaxation achieved through progressive muscle relaxation, the next step in your meditation practice involves mindfulness and observation. This technique focuses on maintaining awareness of the present moment without attachment to thoughts or external distractions. While you sit in silence, observe your thoughts as they come and go. Visualize them like leaves floating on a river. They are present, but they do not disturb the flow of water. The key to this practice is not to engage with these thoughts or judge them, but simply to acknowledge their presence and let them pass. If you find your attention drifting to plans for tomorrow or memories of today, gently guide it back to your breathing or your mantra. This practice of returning to the present moment enhances your ability to remain centered and calm, reducing stress and promoting a deep sense of inner peace. As your meditation session nears its end, it's important to conclude with a gentle transition back to your usual awareness. Begin by slowly diminishing your focus on the mantra or your breath, allowing yourself to become more aware of your physical surroundings. Move your fingers and toes gently, bringing a sense of movement back to your body. Take a few deep breaths, and with each exhale, feel more awake and refreshed. Once you feel ready, open your eyes gradually. Sit for a moment to appreciate the calm and relaxation you've cultivated. It's beneficial to reflect briefly on the experience, acknowledging the peace you've achieved and carrying this tranquility with you as you resume your activities. Regular practice of this concluding transition ensures that the benefits of your meditation extend beyond the immediate session, helping to enhance your overall well-being and readiness for restful sleep. By integrating mindfulness and a structured conclusion into your meditation practice, you create a powerful routine that not only ends your day on a positive note, but also cultivates a lasting habit of peace and self-awareness. These techniques not only assist in achieving immediate relaxation, but also build resilience against daily stressors, promoting long-term mental and emotional health. As you conclude tonight's meditation session, take a moment to acknowledge the steps you have taken towards better mental and physical health. Meditation, especially at night, is a profound tool that helps to not only end your day peacefully, but also to begin the next one with renewed energy and perspective. Reflect on the sensations of calm and relaxation that enveloped you during the practice, and recognize how these feelings contribute to a healthier, more balanced life. It's beneficial to remember that the practice of meditation is a skill that improves with consistency. Encourage yourself to incorporate this routine into your nightly regimen. Over time, you may notice improvements in your sleep quality, stress management, and overall disposition. This commitment to regular meditation is not just a habit, it's an investment in your long-term well-being. Carrying forward the tranquility from tonight's session, set an intention to continue this practice regularly. Understand that each session is a step forward in your journey towards sustained peace and wellness. Meditation is a personal journey that offers profound rewards, not only through improved sleep, but also by enhancing your capacity to handle life's challenges with grace and calmness. If you find this practice helpful, consider exploring other meditation techniques, or perhaps dedicate more time to extend your sessions gradually. Each small step contributes significantly to your overall journey of health and self-discovery. Remember, the peacefulness you cultivate during meditation does not have to end when the session does. It can be a guiding force in your daily life, helping you to maintain clarity and calm in all situations.